Hi guys, it's a great day out here at Johnson RV in Fife, Washington. Beautiful day. My name is Hugh Gabrielson. I'm going to be taking you on a quick tour of this 2015 Thor Siesta 29 TB. We are home of the largest premium pre-owned dealership in North America. It's exciting. So let's start here from the front. This is a B+, so you don't have that big overhang in the front. It's just going to come to the top windshield here. This is built on an E450 Ford chassis. This has got a Ford V10 engine in it, plenty of power. Here on the side you got your Velvac mirrors, foldable mirrors, great for when you're storing or at the campsite so you don't, bam, run into one of those at nighttime. Here you got opposing slide outs in the living area. So this is one side, you got your slide topper up top. It's going to prevent that debris from hanging out up there. You're going to have nice storage down below here. Swinging back here, it's a mid-entry coach. So your access point is right here, centrally located. You've got your outdoor speakers here. You do have an outdoor TV as well. Access point to the fridge here, and your 110 plug-ins. Dual tires in the back gives it nice, good stability. Your potable water's right here up high, and your low point drain right here down low. What do you think of that? Back here, you got a nice storage. Look at this, on a B+, this much storage. You can do a lot with that. If you don't know it right now, you will definitely figure it out a couple of camping trips into it. Swinging back here to the back, you got your full step ladder, access to the roof, integrated backup camera up there. Now you do have a 5,000-pound tow hitch on here with a 7-way plug. Also, you got a nice protection from those road debris from hitting your tow vehicle if that's what you're wanting to do. Back here, the slide out in the bedroom. You do have a little bit of storage down below. And your hookups here too. So let me actually open up one of these guys. So you got your gray, black tank drain right here. Nice clearance. Back up here you got your fuel fill station here. And this is for your cable TV inlet at the campgrounds that provide that. Exterior shower, you're gonna have your hot and cold water there and your city water connection for the RV parks. Right here you got your 6-gallon hot water tank, your furnace exhaust. Down below here, let me open this up, you got your propane fill here. Again, when you're going down to get this filled up, the slide out will be in, so it's very easily accessible. And then down below we got more storage. So good spot, place something if you just need an extra little spot there. So let's oh, also I did mention it does have the side cameras on here, so virtually no blind spots. Not only does it have the backup camera, but the side cameras as well. So let's swing on inside, take a peek. All right guys, thanks for joining me inside. Starting up here in the front cab area, it's going to be your pilot, co-pilot chairs, nice leather, easy to drive, just like driving a pickup truck. Power and heated mirrors here as well. Now up above here, you're going to have your front end entertainment. So rather than having that overhead bunk, you got your TV right up here, a nice little storage on each side as well. Great use of space there. So here I'm sitting on the sofa, does convert into a bed, does have your seat belts in here as well, so you can bring more family members, have them safely buckled. Opposing here you got your booth dinette, makes into a bed as well. So this unit will sleep 6. So these are opposing slides. So when this comes in, you still have access point to the back of the coach. Over here in the kitchen area, you got your double sink here. Really lots of counter space here. You got all this way back in here, and then you got a flip up counter here as well. So and then up above here you got your nice big microwave, storage up above, 3-burner stovetop in your oven, along with you got that nice big drawer here for the bigger pot and pan. Here you got your freezer and your fridge. This is gas and electric, along with a little bit of storage up above as well. Right here you got your command center. This is built with a auto leveling jacks here. So this is where you just turn it on, simple touch of the button twice. You're going to be auto leveled out there enjoying the festivities. Here you got your slat out controls, your tank levels, your thermostat. Really easily accessible. All right, over here we got the nice shower with skylight. Now this door, we'll have you swing around. This door opens up. This will create a blocking point to the rest of the coach too, but you got a easily used bathroom there. Back here, the bedroom, you're going to have a solid door that you can close as well. So you got multiple solid doors before you get back here to the master. So here you got your slide out. Again, I'm 6'3", about 245 pounds, and I can move around this. You got nice natural light coming in as well. Plug-ins on each side. Plenty of storage up above. You got your TV located here. 2 closets on each side. Nice drawers here all the way down. Lot to go into on this coach. Give Hugh a call at 253-286-0833. Thank you very much. Have a good day.